Today is March 24th, and we have two days until Pacie's 7th birthday. Woohoo! And today she gets to open 2 more surprises from her Ryan World road trip from Pocket Watch, and it's exclusively at
Amazon.
Alrighty, let's go, Pace.
Let's attack the world.
Okay, go.
Okay, I'm gonna open this one today.
Okay, let's go.
I have some of my toys.
Yeah, you got some of your figurines that you got there.
Yeah, do you know which one's my favorite one?
Which one? I bet you the pink ones.
No, it's New Mexico Ryan to New York and Ryan and
Texas Ryan. Cool.
Holy moly, guacamole! When I was just looking
Who's
at
that?
When I was looking at the map yesterday, guess what? I wonder if I'm gonna get this one, but now I knew, and he's right there, Indiana.
No, not Indiana. It's Idaho.
Oh my God!
He's from Idaho. Cute.
How can I not get the country names right?
Not country, states, baby.
Oh wait, hold on.
All right, we'll open one more, baby.
Wait, there's only one more in this package.
Okay, open that last one then.
Do we have one more package?
I know.
I think I know who we got.
Who?
I have one of them in my collectors, but he's kind of different. We got Arizona.
Yes, we did. We got Sheldon, and he's representing Arizona, and you're right.
And look at his diapers.
That's so funny. That's so cute. You got 2 of Ryan's friends, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty, Pacie. Is there anything you want to tell your patients before we go?
This might be a secret that Ryan has. Maybe if he is different Ryan, maybe one of these are the real Ryans. So it might be.
You're so silly. Alrighty, friends.
Hi y'all. Welcome to PacieInTheCity's YouTube channel.
Hey, Pacie.
Hi.
Today is March 7th, and we're getting closer to your birthday, baby girl. Alrighty. Are you ready to open another Ryan World's road trip toy? All right, let's go. Today is just one, okay, sweetheart?
I'm going to choose which box should it? It has to be the best one. I'm going to set the base. Oh my God, I'm going to choose this one.
Okay.
It'll be much easier right there.
Use your fingers.
I need something pointy.
You need scissors? All right, here you go. Be careful.
Safety first.
Mm-hmm.
Choose another Ryan.
Of course it's going to be another Ryan. It's Ryan's World road trip collection.
Not just Ryan, his friends.
And his friends too, you're right.
He looks like he's dressed up like a pilgrim.
Like a pilgrim. Okay, I wonder where he's from. All right, hurry up, get him out of the bag and bring him up to your. Oh, I think I know where.
Oh my God. Here we go again.
Hold it up. You got it? Ooh, little Happy Thanksgiving Ryan toy. All right, you ready to look on this map and find out
It's
where?
right here.
Yep. What state is that?
It's upside down. I can't read upside down yet.
Massachusetts.
I thought it was New Hampshire. I got confused because it's so squished there.
No, he's Massachusetts. See? It's there.
I know, but that space is so squished.
I know. It's okay, sweetheart. Alrighty. Anything you want to tell your patients before we go?
Almost. Hold on, let me just say something. They had the first Thanksgiving.
Yes. Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone watching my video. Bye bye. Deuces. Like and subscribe. Click the bell, please. Deuces. Stay safe. Friends.
Alrighty, friends.
Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Just like and subscribe. One more package to go. One more package to go.
One more day. See y'all tomorrow.
Deuces. Oh. Bye. See you later.